In this lecture, I'm going to tell you about print statement, how to write output. Okay, as I have told you before, to write print statement, you need to write print within the bracket, within the quotes. You should write something like hello world, hello world. Now, if I press enter, I will get hello world as output. You can also print variable values. Like let's say I'm going to take one variable var is equal to hello world. Then if I type enter, you can see var contains hello world. Now I am going to print that by print of var. This will give the values that is stored within the variable var. Now you can see hello world. You can also combine string and variable to get print. Now I'm going to show an example, right? Print the value stored in var is. Now what I need to do is I need to do write plus, and then I should write the variable name. If I write the variable name and if I press enter, you can see the value stored in the var. This is string, but this is the value which is stored in the var. You can also write this like print the value stored in. Within the string itself, you can write percentage s, close the quotes, percentage. Within, after that percentage, you should write var, and you should quotes. If I print like this, what this will do is, in this position, you can see this is one character. What this will do is, this s will be replaced by this var value. Like that you can print. I will show you another one example. Let us say addition of two numbers, num1 is equal to 10. I am going to assume num2 that is equal to 20. Now if I need to write print statement, I am going to write the addition of num1, which is percentage s, and num2 percentage s is percentage s. After this quotes, I am going to write percentage. Within that, what you should need to display here, first you should see num1 value. So I am going to write num1 comma, next you should write num2 value, num2 comma, and next you should write the addition of both. So I am going to write num1 plus num2. Now what this will do is, this will add both num1 and num2, and it will replace this with s. If I press enter, you can see the final output is the addition of num1 10 and num2 20 is 30. You can also write d instead of s, d instead of s for int values. It will also display the same, but it is recommended to write yes, then only you will not get any confusion while you are writing this within the string. Okay, now I will show you another one method to do print statement, which is called okay, I forgot to tell you that if you use print single quotes Harry's pen, now you will, if you press enter, you will get error, because what this will do is, this will consider just this as one string and it will leave this. That's why it is showing error. If you need to print something with single quotes, then what you should need to do is, you should need to use double quotes as Harry, single quote as pen. Now if I write like this and I press enter, you can see the output will be Harry, single quote yes, then pen. Now I need to write some poem or something like within 3 lines, like that means what I should need to do is 3 quotes, 1 2 3. After that I need to write something like hello. If I press enter, you can see you will get a dot mark instead of arrow mark. Now we can write this here also, hello world. If I close this with 3 quotes and I close this and I press enter, you can see hello and world in separate lines. This space is because of I have given space here. Like that you can write this within single line also by using escape sequence. I will tell you what is escape sequence. Now I am going to write this within single line. Print hello /n world, single quotes. Now I am going to close this. If I press enter, you can see I have printed hello and world in different lines. This /n is called new line. What this will do is it will trigger new line. After that it will print the next words which is after that. Like that you can see you can use T for tab space. You can see tab is replaced in this position. Okay, I will show you another thing. If I need to print some paths like C file path single slash user /bin. If I put code, if I press enter, you will get error. This is because what it will do is it will use /u as escape sequence and check is there any escape sequence present /u. If you need to escape from this, what you should need to do is you should write print /c : and again you should use slash. After that user /bin. If I write like this and if I press enter, you can see C/user bin/ like that. What this is doing is this slash is nothing but it is also one of the escape sequence. If you write slash after that something, slash means it will consider slash as single slash. Okay, now there is also another way, like we can pass this as a single raw string like C/user/bin quotation. If I press enter, you will get C directly, C:/user/bin. This is because what this R will do is this will tell the print statement to print the string directly without considering or checking for escape sequence and just print. That's why you can get the direct string without getting any error. There is also another method to format print statement. I will show you that. That is called dot format print of : I will show you that addition example also for this. The addition of num1, what I need to do is just curly braces, after that and num2 curly braces is curly braces. Now I need to do dot format. Within that we should write num1 comma num2 comma num1 plus num2. You can see what this will do is this curly braces will be replaced by this num1, and this curly braces will be replaced by this num2. This curly braces will be replaced by this value. You can see this is like using that /s, but here you can, if you are specifying some value inside the curly braces like 0, 0, here I am going to use 1, sorry, here I am going to write 1. If I press enter, you can see you will get 10, 10 and 20. What this is doing is, if you write 0 within this curly braces, it will take the first value in format. Okay, for that one, for this reason, this value is replaced by this 0, this 10. After this 0 is replaced by again num1, not num2. Now also you can see here 1 is replaced by this value, which is 20. This is also kind of same, but you should know that num1 and num2 values are 10 and 20. Okay, I will show you. If I write here 3 means, you will get to understand that. Sorry, I should write 3 because I am having only 3 values. In Python, indexing is starting from 0 to like that. It will consider this as 0, 1 and this is 2. It will not consider this as 1, this as 2 and this as 3. You need to keep in mind about the indexing in Python. Here you can see that it is printed oppositely. See, this one is correct, 0. Here it is printing as 30. Here it is printing as 1, which is num2. Like that you can also do you can also do something called formatting to, without changing the text length, you can do some formatting or allot some particular spaces instead of this. Now I will print the normal form. Normally you will get like this. If I am doing some alterations like 0, colon, let's say 3D. Here also I am going to write 3D. Here I am going to write 4D. What this will do is, it first 0, this position is replaced by 3 digits. That is, you will see in the output. See, here you can see the difference. This position is replaced by 3 digits. The previous one we can see it is replaced by the number, but here it is replaced by 3 digits. Here you can see this also replaced by 3 digits. Here you can see it is replaced by 4 digits. If I am changing some value, right, num1 is equal to 100, num2 is equal to 200, then I am going to print this statement. You can see the length of the string is same. The length of output is same, but the value is entered here. You can see 10, this 3 value is replaced by 10. Here also this 3 value 2 is replaced by 200, and this 2 value is replaced by 300. This is how you can write statement without changing the length of the output. Okay, that's it for this print statement. I recommend you to read the course properly and do the exercise. Thank you.